Upcoming Environmental Sustainability and Conformity Assessment Training Programs by URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +917359458455. Hello and welcome to the official YouTube channel of URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. As industries worldwide move toward sustainability, environmental responsibility, regulatory compliance, and international conformity assessment, professionals must continuously upgrade their knowledge to remain competitive and compliant. URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited is pleased to announce a series of specialized online training programs designed for professionals, consultants, auditors, certification bodies, laboratories, EPC companies, manufacturing industries, oil and gas organizations, environmental professionals, and government agencies. All our programs are conducted by experienced industry experts with practical case studies and real life applications. We conduct regular evening, weekend, and intensive 5-day batches every month, allowing working professionals to learn at their convenience. Let us take a brief look at each upcoming training program. First, pipeline safety, inspection and compliance as per PNGRB and OIST regulations. Date B 20 to 21 July 2026. Pipeline infrastructure is one of the most critical assets in the oil and gas sector. Ensuring safety, integrity and regulatory compliance is essential for preventing accidents, protecting the environment and maintaining uninterrupted operations. This program provides practical guidance on PNGRB regulations, OIST standards, pipeline integrity management, inspection techniques, risk assessment, safety management, compliance documentation, best industry practices. Ideal for pipeline engineers, inspection engineers, oil and gas professionals, safety engineers, consultants, regulatory professionals. Second, life cycle assessment, LCA principles and methodology as per ISO 14040 and ISO 14044. Date 5 to 7 August 2026. Life cycle assessment is becoming a key decision-making tool for sustainable manufacturing. This course explains how to evaluate environmental impacts throughout the complete life cycle of a product, from raw material extraction to disposal or recycling. Participants will learn LCA principles, goal and scope definition, inventory analysis, environmental impact assessment, interpretation of results, practical industrial applications. Ideal for environmental engineers, sustainability managers, product designers, ESG professionals, manufacturing industries, consultants. Third, workshop on regulatory environmental compliances in India. Date 10th August 2026. Every industry must comply with environmental regulation. This workshop provides practical understanding of Indian environmental regulations, statutory approvals, pollution control requirements, waste management rules, hazardous waste regulations, consent management, environmental reporting, and legal responsibilities. Suitable for EHS managers, compliance officers, factory managers, environmental consultants, manufacturing industries, government agencies. Then next is ISO 14064 Greenhouse Gas GHG Emissions Standards 14064 or 14064, Part 1, Part 2 and Part 3. Date 19 to 21 August 2026. Timing will be 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. India time, IST. Climate change reporting has become a global business priority. ISO 14064 provides internationally accepted requirements for greenhouse gas quantification, emission reporting, project validation, emission reduction verification, carbon management. This training is highly recommended for organizations implementing ESG and net zero initiatives. Suitable for sustainability professionals, carbon consultants, verification bodies, energy companies, manufacturing industries, environmental auditors. The next is requirements of ISO/IEC 17065 2012 for product certification bodies. Date 19th to 21st August 2026. Product certification bodies must demonstrate competence, impartiality, consistency, and credibility. This course explains certification processes, decision making, impartiality, risk management, certification scheme requirements, accreditation expectations, ideal for certification bodies, auditors, consultants, quality managers, accreditation professionals. Then next is sixth, ISO/IEC 17029 2019 validation and verification bodies. Date 22 to 22 August 2026. Validation and verification are becoming increasingly important for environmental declarations, carbon emissions, sustainability reporting, and ESG projects. This course explains validation principles, verification requirements, competence requirements, risk-based approach, international best practices suitable for validation bodies, verification bodies, consultants, auditors, carbon verification professionals. Then next is ISO 1467 2018 carbon footprint of products. Date 8 to 9 September 2026. Consumers and global markets increasingly demand products with lower carbon footprints. ISO 14067 provides internationally recognized guidance for calculating and communicating product carbon footprints. Participants will learn carbon footprint calculation, life cycle emissions, reporting, environmental declarations, international market expectations, ideal for manufacturers, exporters, ESG professionals, sustainability managers, consultants. The next is requirements of ISO/IEC 17021 Part 1 2015 for management system certification bodies. Date 21st to 23 September 2026. ISO/IEC 17021 Part 1 specifies requirements for organizations providing management system certification. The course covers certification principles, competence requirements, audit process, impartiality, certification decisions, accreditation expectations, suitable for certification bodies, lead auditors, technical experts, quality professionals, consultants. Why choose URGS International? At URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited, we believe practical learning creates competent professionals. Our training programs include live interactive online sessions, experienced international faculty, real industrial case studies, practical exercises, latest international standards, regulatory requirements, comprehensive study material, certificate of completion, interactive question and answer sessions. Flexible learning options. To support working professionals worldwide, we conduct evening batches, weekend batches, regular day batches, intensive 5-day training program every month. This flexibility allows participants to select the schedule most suitable for their professional commitments. At last, whether you are an engineer, auditor, consultant, certification body professional, environmental manager, sustainability specialist, ESG practitioner, or industry leader, our training programs will help you build globally recognized competence and stay ahead in today's rapidly evolving industrial landscape. Reserve your seat today and enhance your professional expertise with URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +91 73 59 45 8455. We look forward to welcoming you to our upcoming training programs. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates on international standards, inspection, certification, sustainability, environmental compliance and professional development. We have regular evening, weekend, intensive 5-day batches conducted every month. Thank you.